The duration of assembly line is 42 days, split in 6 stages. On stage 1 there are the harnesses and mechanical activity, components, tubes and harnesses. In stage 2 there are the fuel and pitot environment system. Stage 3 there are the macro activity that we perform is the main landing gear and the nose landing gear components. On the stage 4 are scheduled the drive system and the avionic equipment. On stage 5 is the stage that we test all the components and the installation that was complete on the stage behind. After the stage 5 we have the stage 6, that is the stage that we complete the helicopter in order to transfer the helicopter in a fly line.